So everybody in their brotherhood, I think, has made these ham sliders. You cut them in half, you put ham, you put cheese, put them in the oven, you put this stuff on it, and you bake it. Let's kick it up a notch. Let's do some ham sliders, and let's make it ultimate. All right, shall we? Let's go. So first things first, got a pan, and I got some butter. Big old hunk of butter, a little Dijon mustard. And we're gonna do much of this, I don't know, I think we're gonna do it on the Blackstone. What I'm not gonna do is I'm going to omit the poppy seeds. So 2 are butter, 2 are Dijon mustard, a little Watch Your Sister sauce, and a little bit of yours truly heifer dust. You want a little bit more garlic? Go right ahead. I think I might. We're gonna spread this all over the top of our slider rolls. Right here to the griddle, a little pre-warmer. We'll pre-warm this bad boy. And we're just gonna put this just kind of right here, let it get warmed up, let that butter melt. Now it's time for our rolls. Should I do my rolls? Yeah, let's do the rolls now. Do the rolls now. Why not? I think I can do all these on a griddle, and I believe I can flip them. I think I can. We'll see. Only time will tell. So we're just gonna take these, flip them out just like that, okay? Take you a knife, and you want to be right in the middle, and using my calibrated eye, I think we're right in the middle. I mean, I'm pretty sure we had them at all of our baby showers, wedding showers, that kind of thing. And I mean, they are delightful, I will say. But I think we could kick it up a notch. And I'm gonna tell you, I didn't get this idea, not recipe. I got this idea to make these better from a friend of ours. So I will give credit where credit is due right here in a minute. We got those right there. Now, here comes the part that's gonna kind of be like, oh dang, Hussey, oh dang. So I got some ham, chopped ham, right here. Use whatever ham you like. You can do like the off the bone ham if you like. But I am going to do chopped ham like so. And I'm going to slice it like this. The reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to shred the sucker, all right? Yes, so a friend of ours, Sonia, we call her Miss Sonia because she was our kids' teacher in preschool. And she's like, a lady told her about this to basically shred or dice or whatever your ham, and it makes a big difference. And I thought, I've got to try that, Miss Sonia, and I want to try it on, uh-oh, my thing broke. I will try it on one of my recipes, and here we are. So we're going to kind of go one step farther with this as well, where we're going to throw a little Hussey action on it. Just wait. If you want to use a hand grater, go right ahead. But kind of partial to this thing. I feel like I bought it, I got to use it. I still like to know where my little jam thing is, but I have no idea. We need some more ham. And no, this thing doesn't stick to my cutting board, by the way. A lot of people's like, it's got a suction cup on it. I know, man, I know. Just get off my jock strap, dude. I'm really looking forward to this. I love these things. I eat them all the time. I mean, it's like when they're out there, I'm just like drawn to it. Like, I don't know. It's like, gotta have one of these sliders. But this, I mean, come on. I'm struggling here. But you know what? It's still quicker than a hand grater, to my honest opinion. Now, what I didn't think about was my cheese. Like, I should have just gotten a block of cheese and grated that. But yeah, at any rate, well, I'll show you what I got right here in a minute. All right, I think I'm done with this thing here. It does cheese great. Great, you get it? It does cheese great. Oh, geez, our butter's over here just smoking like a dang 80s mom. Jeez Louise. All right, we're good there. Well, hold on a minute, let me get my hand grater. Back to this, back to the old grind here. Yeah, I probably should have did this in the first place. Trying to be cute. Jeff's probably laughing at me over there, watching me struggle. You're hearing a little bit of construction going on. Old Hussey's getting his kitchen done. Always wanted a kitchen renovation for quite some time, and it has finally come to that point. I'm excited. Can't wait to let y'all see what it looks like. Yeah, been a long time coming. The kitchen that was in there is original 1999, 2000 era. Good stuff. I'm about done with this thing right here. I tell you what would be good, some of that off the bone ham. It's really good flavor. I like that, like a honey ham. I just thought just a regular old ham, be good. This thing right here, it's worse than the other thing. I don't know what Miss Sonia did. I don't know how she chops her. She said it was a process. All right, I think that's going to be enough. I'm tired of messing with this thing. I might just chop it up. Hey, that's what happening is like the ham is like clogging up these holes. All right, I tell you what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do with this ham. It's gonna get chopped up. It's gonna be rustic. Okay, all right. Our juice here is looking really good. It's perfect. Okay, so right now you're probably saying, Hussey, you're not really doing nothing special here yet. But you know what, I am. Get ready to. First things first, we want to toast our buns here. We want some flavor, you know, before we start putting stuff down, okay? That's what you want. Get these toasted. Look at that. That's perfect right there, y'all. It needs mayonnaise, okay? Needs Duke's mayonnaise, state law. Now we're just gonna paint these on. Paint, so you need that, you need it, man. You just gotta have it. Make sure it's all painted real nice, all right? We don't need this burner on. Which one's top, which one's bottom here? This is top. We'll put this over here, okay? The bottom, same thing. Put that over here. Now, we got the buns toasted, got all that. Now we're gonna take our ham. Just gonna do just a little bit of avocado oil. And gonna put our ham right onto the griddle. And we're gonna give it some of that griddle love, all right? Put a little bit more butter in our sauce here. Oh, you know what else I forgot? I forgot to put a little bit of brown sugar into our little mixture right here. Forgot about it. I kind of like that little sweetness. Kind of sweet like me. Let's put a little bit of this right on our ham. Yeah, buddy. Let's talk about cheese. I'm doing Swiss here. That's typically what's used is Swiss. I don't mind it. I love Swiss. So I'm taking the bottoms here, and I'm just laying Swiss right down. I'm gonna lay 4 slices on the top. I'm gonna put some right here because this is what I do. I'll put some more on top because that's what it kind of just sandwiches all of that ham and cheese together and it doesn't slide anywhere. So what I wished I would have done, if I had hindsight, I'd got a block of Swiss and, you know, shredded it as well and then put it in here, but that's okay. I say let's start filling these. All right, we got I left it in the little container of the King's Hawaiian, and I'm gonna take and put it, it's kind of right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of our juicy juice here, kind of put it on the inside. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So now, just gonna put some of our ham. That was 1.7 pounds of ham that I gave them. I told them, I said, give me about a 2-inch block. And they kind of looked at me a little funny. Kind of like I, you know, had a booger on my face or something, you know. I was like, yeah, about 2 inches. She's like, I can't guarantee that's 2 inches. I was like, look, lady, it's all good. Just give me a block. I'm gonna take more cheese. This thing right here might have you backed up for a couple days. I'm sorry. Now, we got our tops. Whoop, there we go. Just like that. I was gonna put these on the griddle to melt them, but I don't think that's a wise decision. So I'm gonna put it into the pellet grill. I don't even have an oven right now, y'all. My kitchen is demolished. I wanna go over to the pellet grill. Gonna get the pellet grill up, get it going. I think I went 340, 350 is fine. I think I just mistakenly hit 340. And brush these suckers like you're painting a Picasso, okay? I had good intentions about putting this on the griddle, but I just don't think it's gonna work. Let me get my towel here. I'm gonna put this into the pellet grill and wait till the cheese melts, and that's it. All right, see you in a bit. Oh, all right. Whew. Hello. Yeah, there we go. Look at that bad boy right there. Right there. Dang, son. Got a little bit of a crunch to it. Looks like the cheese is melted. I just hope it's cheesy. What I like to do, oh man, that's seized up. I'm just gonna have to wait because it's kind of seized up a little bit. Let's go right here. Let's see what we got. Look at there, looky there. Gee, son, would you look at that? Alrighty, well, I had a little change of plans. I ended up just laying these on the griddle so I can, number one, it keeps them warm. It's cold out here, and so it wouldn't seize up. But look at that right there. Ooh, yeah, boy. Let's give these groceries a try. I love that little exterior, a little crunchy. Y'all? Dang! Son. This is way better. Way better. Good night. That's good. Oh my gosh, this is so much better. I love them. Y'all, do these. Don't do them the other way. shred your meat, griddle your meat. It's a game changer. I like to have a little bit of this juice extra. A little ball of goodness right there. Come on. Oh, bobble. This is good. I want to say thank you to Miss Sonia for recommending this. It is for sure a game changer. And I just want to say thanks for everybody watching. Head on over to my website. It'll be a full recipe here. Yeah. Give me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Might be some bloopers. I'll see you next time. Peace. Maggie, quit it. Now I got Maggie going through the trash. She thinks she's a bona fide raccoon. I don't know why my thing's not working real well right now. Thing. Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened now. It's all right. I mean, you want it chopped up. That's good. Oh, I wonder. It's full. It's not coming out. There we go. Look at how much ham's in there. Goodness gracious.